Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be kind of a chill video. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup for school. Today was actually my second day of school, so I figured it would be fun to just like talk to you guys about how it went and just talk to you guys about different things, because I feel like I haven't been able to just like sit down in front of the camera and talk in a little while. So hopefully you guys can get to know me a little better and see my makeup routine while you're at it. I'm looking a little bit rough right now just because my skin hasn't been the best lately. I'm not sure if you can totally tell on camera, but I was honestly debating on if I should do this video or not, just because I didn't want to be on camera without makeup because of how self-conscious I've been about my skin lately. But I decided to just do it because why not? I shouldn't be scared to be on camera without makeup because this is what I naturally look like. So I'm just gonna get started. I actually already put on primer because I knew I would probably forget about it, like I did in my last two makeup videos. I used the Benefit Professionals primer. So for school, I usually don't really wear like foundation, so I'm just gonna start off with concealer. I'm running out of this concealer, so it doesn't really do its job that well right now, but it's okay. I use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I really like it. When I don't put foundation on, I usually put a little bit more concealer on. Usually my nose gets like super red for some reason, so I just put it on all the areas of my face that I want to be like highlighted a little bit. I don't know, I'm not a makeup artist, so please don't judge how I do my makeup. I look like a clown right now. I honestly just zoned out so hard for a minute. I totally forgot I was filming and I was just like doing my makeup. I don't remember at all what I was talking about, or even if I was talking about anything at all. So I'm just gonna tell you guys what I'm doing tomorrow. Okay, this is exciting. So tomorrow I'm actually throwing a surprise party for my best friend Amanda. I am so excited about it, and she wasn't really like doing anything for her birthday, and she isn't excited about it like at all. I went to lunch with her today and she was saying how she wasn't even really that excited for her birthday. And I think everyone should be excited for their birthday, but I feel like it always works out like that. Like birthdays just always like, they're either really good or really bad. I don't know, you never really know. Now I'm using the CoverGirl powder. I don't know, it's like some translucent powder, nothing special, and I'm just putting this on all the areas that I applied concealer. But back to what I was saying, I'm throwing Amanda a surprise party tomorrow night at this pizza place in our town, and I'm so excited about it. She's gonna be so surprised. She has no idea. I've been planning it for maybe like 2 weeks, I don't know, and I'm super excited, and I hope she is too. As far as she knows, she's spending the night at my house tomorrow. She's not actually, but that's what I told her. And then we are gonna go to the pizza place for dinner with my parents, but really that's where the surprise party is. And I told her like we're taking pictures and stuff so that she would look like cute and like dressed up kind of. Now I'm using the California blush in this palette I have. It's called Get the Pretty Started. It's by Benefit, and it just has the, I have to sneeze. Okay, it just has the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and then California blush, and then the What's Up highlighter. I don't really use that highlighter. I don't think it's good because it's like cream. I don't know, I don't really like it. I like to use a lot of blush. I feel like blush is either like you love it or you hate it, and I love it. And then I've gotten into the trend of like putting a little bit of blush on your nose, and I used to hate that because my nose just automatically gets a little bit red, like I said earlier, but I still put a little bit of blush on it anyways, just because I think it looks like cute and kind of like sun-kissed, you know what I mean? And that's really all I do for face makeup. Usually for eyeshadow, I literally just do like 2 shades. So I'm using the Tartelette Toasted palette, and then I'm taking the shade S'more, which obviously I've gotten some good use out of, and I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and just putting it all over my lid as like a base, just because it's like the same color as my eyelid. And then I take the color Latte and just do the same thing, basically just put it all over my eyelid just to like bronze it up kind of and give it some depth. I don't know, I really don't know what I'm talking about, but that's just what I do to make myself look more normal, because when my eyelids are like the same like light color as like under my eyes, it just looks kind of weird. And if I just put like one bronzy shade on my eyelid, I feel like it looks a little bit more normal. So that's all I do for eyeshadow usually for school. If I have a little bit more time, I'll do some more, but usually I don't have that much time. I'm very slow in the mornings, you can ask my parents. So now I take like an eyeliner like eyebrow brush and use the shade Fireside. It's like a dark color, and then I just draw on a wing. Usually this part doesn't go well and I mess up and make it look really bad, but sometimes it does go well, so it's worth it. Oh nope, not going well. Nope. Oh yeah, this is one of those times where it doesn't go well, but it's okay. It either looks really good or really bad. And then I just try to hope like people don't notice when it looks bad. But I'm literally filming a video right now and thousands of people are gonna see this, but it's fine, it's fine. I've heard before that if you use a black eyeliner, it makes your eyelashes look shorter, but if you use like a brown or like dark like maroon-ish eyeliner, it makes your eyebrows, what the heck? It makes your eyelashes look longer. I always do just like a dark brown color for eyeshadow. I mean, eyeliner. Oh my god, I can't talk. Oh, this side is gonna be bad, I can already tell. Oh, that was bad, okay. Okay, back to what I was talking about. I haven't even talked about the main thing I wanted to talk about in today's video, which is school. So there's two more things I want to talk about. First, I recently experienced meeting subscribers in public for the first time, which is insane. That just like blows my mind because I feel like I still haven't really processed like those subscribers are real people that like watch my videos. It's not just a number, and it's just so insane to me that there are like real people out there watching my videos. Like I haven't processed it completely. But yeah, so the first time I met a subscriber in public, it was at In-N-Out down at like a rest stop in Southern California, and Amanda and I were on our way home from a trip, and a girl that worked there told us that she watched our channels, and it was so cool. She was so nice. And then the second time was in San Diego at Target, my favorite place, as you all know. And she was also working there, and she just told me that she watches my videos, and that was really cool too. And then recently I've had like 3 people in my town notice me, which I never thought would happen because I live in a small town, and I don't know, I just didn't think that people would like come up to me and say hi or like recognize me at all. But I was at Target with Amanda the other day. Oh, by the way, I just used the Urban Decay Brow Finish Brow Gel. This is the only thing I do for my eyebrows since they're already pretty dark. And now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and use the Maybelline Colossal Volume Waterproof Mascara. This is a great dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because I know everyone loves this mascara, but I feel like this one is very similar and it's probably only like $7. Anyway, I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, meeting people in Target. Okay, so Amanda and I were at Target the other day, and a girl came up to us and like asked like, "Are you Kenna Marie?" And I was like, "Oh my god, yeah." And she gave me a hug and we talked to her for a few minutes. She was so sweet and it was just such a crazy feeling. And then right after, another girl said hi and said that she watched my channel and she knows one of my friends, and she was really nice too, and it was just like so cool to meet them. Like I never thought that would happen. And then the last one was when I was at lunch yesterday with my friends, and we went to this Mexican restaurant that like everyone goes to at lunch just because it's super close to our school. And as we were walking out, this girl was like, "Oh, are you McKenna?" And I was like, "Oh my gosh, yes." And she was like, "Oh my gosh, I watch your videos." And it was just so cool. It's so crazy meeting you guys in person. I feel like my channel is still pretty new, so I just don't think about like meeting you guys in person just because I feel like nobody knows who I am. I met 5 of you guys so far, and it's been so cool, and you guys have all been so nice. I feel like mascara is the part where it all comes together. Oftentimes I get mascara on my eyelids, so to fix it, I just take a Q-tip and get it off. And it never really takes off my eyeshadow. Like it doesn't really make a difference to my eyeshadow. So Q-tips are a really good way of getting mascara off your eyelids. I was also gonna tell you guys about my first day of school. It went pretty well, I would say. I don't know, like it was all right. I like my classes, and I have classes with some fun people, which I'm excited about. Right now, I'm just using the highlighter from the James Charles palette, and I'm just putting it on my nose, my Cupid's bow, in the corner of my eyes, my brow bones, and then my cheekbones. I love highlighter. But yeah, so I have some pretty good classes. First, I have dance. I'm excited about that class. I have 2 of my best friends in that class. And then I have... I have no idea what I have next. Oh, I have studio art, and I did not sign up for that, but they just put me in it, so I was like, okay. There was really nothing else that I could take, so I just took studio art, and that class is cool. I like the teacher. It's mostly freshmen in that class, and I think it should be a fun class. I don't know. I'm hoping it is. And then I have English. Oh my god, I keep blanking on my schedule. I have English, and I have one of my best friends in that class, so I'm really excited about that. And then my next class, I also have one of my best friends in. Me and my friend Brayden have 3rd and 4th together, so I think that's really cool. And then 4th period, I have AP Stat. That's really the only like hard class I have. Kind of nervous about that one. And then 5th period, I have Economics. I don't really know that many people in that class, but I like the teacher, and I think it should be pretty easy, hopefully. And then I have a free 6th period, and yeah, that's it. So I have a pretty easy schedule this year. I just use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I love this stuff. I genuinely feel like it does make a difference in my makeup, and it makes it last a lot longer. My makeup really doesn't look great right now, but it's okay. I'm gonna grab some lip gloss. I don't know where it would be. I use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Most of the time, if I don't use this, I use a lip gloss by Pixie, but I really like this one. And yeah, that is everything I do for my school makeup. It's very simple. I try not to wear a lot just because I know it's gonna get uncomfortable during the day. And yeah, I think I talked about like everything going on in my life right now pretty much. I mean, I really don't have that much going on. School is starting, so I won't be able to upload twice a week anymore, which I'm really sad about because I had so much fun just like filming and editing, and like I just felt so productive getting stuff done and getting videos up Wednesday and no, it's not Saturday. I don't even know my own uploading schedule. Wednesday and Sundays. And it was just really fun over the summer to work on my channel. And I'm so glad I took this summer to like really focus on my channel and build it, because I feel like it really paid off. But sadly, since school is starting, I'm not gonna have as much time to work on my channel and like film and edit and stuff. So it is gonna be going back to videos every Sunday. I'm gonna try to film Amanda's surprise party and like vlog the day, but I'm gonna be trying to focus on like the party and Amanda. So if it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. But I'm really hoping to make a video on it just so that she can like look back on it. It's her birthday on Tuesday, guys, so if you see her, make sure to wish her a happy birthday. But yeah, this whole video was pretty much just me like ranting about random things, but I feel like I kind of needed that because I haven't done a video like that in a while where I just like talk to you guys. I hope you guys like this style of video too. I know it was just super chill, and I'm gonna stop talking now. I've been talking for way too long. If you guys want to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, that would really help me out. Also, I am doing a giveaway for 2 Target gift cards on my last video, which is the back to school clothing haul. So if you guys want to enter, go watch that video. And if you made it up all the way till this point, comment surprise, because I'm having a surprise party for Amanda, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.